so this is my room. Yeah, and I want to show you guys what I'm watching on the TV. I'm actually watching Aaliyah's Face, and my laptop is there because it's charging. I do want to get some new carpets pretty soon because I got some like stains and stuff on this one. That black thing right there, I don't know what that is. It won't come off for whatever reason. And this little station right here, that's where I keep my purses, jewelry, obviously, and some of my makeup brushes, and a mason jar. Like, it's kind of disorganized right now. Like, it can look better than this. I tried to make this area look very minimal, but obviously that's not really working out for me. So we're gonna try that again, but we're slowly getting to where we want to be. I kind of want to put these in a storage bin because that's for like a Christmas season, and I don't have a place for it right now, so that's why it's kind of like sitting at the top of this, you know, cubicle area. And I'm always gonna have this sign up because I just want to remind myself to smile every day. And these are just like some of my favorite pictures that I have up here on this wall. I kind of want to take this wall down. I kind of not, because I want to use this bulletin board maybe for like motivational quotes or things that I can look at in the morning instead of having like pictures of myself. I don't think, me personally, I don't think there's anything wrong with having pictures of yourself. Some people find it weird. I don't. So I don't know, I might do something else with that bulletin board. Yeah. This is one of my favorite, it's not really, it's art, but it's really not. I got it from Ross like a few years ago, and I thought it would look nice where it's at, but I might take it down and put something else there. I don't know, we'll see. And over here, there's this lovely golden mirror. It's actually my favorite thing about this room. It really just makes it look luxurious. Guys, I don't have a luxurious apartment, so my room is going to give as much luxury as possible. And this table, I got it from Home Goods a few years ago. It was originally like a desk area where I can do like my homework and focus, but I realized that like doing my homework and stuff in my room doesn't really work for me. So instead, I put some of my books in the cubicle section, and put my TV on top of it, and it has been working out very great for me as of lately. So I'm just gonna keep it as is. I'm not gonna do anything to it. And I have 2 flower vases. Let me move my laptop. Yeah, so I have like 2 flower vases at the end, and this table looks really nice once I have flowers like in my vases. But right now I don't, they're just empty. I will be getting some flowers pretty soon to occupy the vases, but right now I'm just gonna leave it as is. And I have fake flowers that I got from, I think it was Home Goods, if not TJ Maxx. My ring light, this is how I take my videos and pictures for my gram. And then these are actually my, you know, like workout bands that you put around like your thighs and stuff to work out glutes. I'm just gonna put it in this like miscellaneous like drawer that I have. This is my travel carry-on bag. Whenever I'm going anywhere and I need like a couple clothes, I put the clothes in here. And this is actually like my makeup bag that, like, my makeup right now is very disorganized. I'm gonna take some time and organize everything. Like put my brushes in the mason jars. I have mason jars that hold brushes. This is the concealer, eyeliner / eyebrow pencil, and then lip gloss and lipsticks goes in here. So I'm gonna just like organize everything. I'm gonna actually take the time right now and fix this, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how that looks like. So I'm gonna work on that right now, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. It's the after. Hopefully there's a big difference. I'm not sure if there's a difference or not, but I kind of took my wine glasses and I put them up here. I know it may not make sense, but for right now it looks pretty cute to me, so I'm gonna keep it as is. The whole idea with this like area is so that it doesn't look congested. On the bottom right there, I know this is kind of like an awkward, like what the fuck is that? That is like I have a bar soap and an exfoliating sponge there. That's what I use to shower. I'm just leaving it there now because I don't have like a container to put them in, and I really want to put it in something that, you know, doesn't really catches germs or bacteria like that, because, you know, that's what I used to shower with. But this is what it's looking like. It really made a lot of progress from how it looked before, but let me just kind of show you guys the differences. Like I had a flower here, and then I had like some kind of design like a cup and my teddy bear right there in the middle. Like I got it for Valentine's Day, and then on the bottom I had like the other matching flower to that at the bottom. But I actually created a space for my foundation because they were just laying around on the countertop, just like kind of awkwardly, and I was like, you know what, let me create a space for it, because I'm pretty messy with my foundation, and I thought like putting it on this would be better than putting it on something white, because this is brown and this is white and it gets dirty quickly and it's very easily noticeable. So I thought like putting it right there would be like so much better, and I kind of like it. And then like the two Christmas trees, the silver Christmas trees, they were on this side, I put them on that side. And then I took my additional brushes and I put them on here. I took the little tray that had my mason jars, I put them on this side versus that side because they were over here, now they're over there. And I actually filled my mason jars with all the makeups that I use on a daily basis, and I think it looks a better, like, yeah, I think that looks really, really good. So on to the rest of the room tour. I've had this like curtain forever, and I kind of want to like change it out, but not yet, because I do have others, but this has just been looking really good with my room aesthetic right now. And another thing that I really need is a headboard. I don't have a headboard, unfortunately, and that drives me nuts for the time being, but you know what, eventually I'll get one. And what I actually want to use this space for is a dresser. A dresser would definitely make my life a lot easier. It will give me extra storage space and more space to put more of my clothes, and I can use the top of the dresser to, I don't know, allocate some stuff too. Over here we have my hair and body. This is where all my hair and body products are. So we have the Got2 Be spray. I do a lot of bond-in, like quick weave type styles, and this comes in handy with like removing the styles, and it literally takes 30 seconds. It's like, just like it says, super hair bond remover. It really does take 30 seconds. So if you are doing any styles that requires you to put glue to your hair or to your cap, this will remove it very, very, very fast, and it will not get glue on your hair either. So I love using this. But yeah. And what else? We have combs, scissors. This jar right here has all my hair ties and stuff. And on the middle shelf we have like some edge control, some jam, and then we have body oil right here. I use oil on my body, on my skin, because even though like my face, I have like oily skin, but the rest of my body is very, very dry. So I don't like to use lotion because it doesn't do me justice at all. Like I would literally still be ashy after a second of using the lotion. So instead I like to use this body oil right here, but I'm gonna change it out for something else. I have been using something else, and I'm gonna show you guys pretty soon. But I don't like using any Johnson & Johnson brands. Johnson & Johnson is really bad news. I am not going to use them anymore. So oops, let me see if I can find it. So instead of using that, I use this. and it works wonders. I don't use a lot of it because the oil consistency is very thick, as you can tell, so you probably only need like literally like a dime size of this and you should be good to go. Yeah, so I have hair and body and some miscellaneous things, and this, guys, is really this is like a miracle. I got it off of Amazon and I cut it into two because it was like fairly large, like definitely way too big to use the entire thing. But what it is it's just like a shower rag that you can use. It exfoliate your body very well. All my ladies out here, you don't want rough skin, you want really nice soft skin, and this will definitely get you there. I will try to link it in the description bar below so that you guys can, you know, purchase it off of Amazon. Like I said, they're very large, so you don't really need to use the entire thing. So like I literally just cut it in half so that I can, you know, use it. So yeah, this is like my little hair and body. It's a lot, but I do my hair pretty often. I change my hair styles a lot, so I need a little station dedicated to my hair, and I also need a station dedicated to my body because I really want to get better with skincare, not just for my face but also for my body as well. The bags still have some stuff in there that I need to find a home for. I just don't have space right now to put it, but I'll definitely figure it out. And over here, this is the other flower thingy that was like at the bottom, but instead I put it right here. This is also from Christmas. I like it where it's at right now. And then this little table, the golden table, I got from Ross have some really good stuff, guys. I suggest that you check them out. That little corner right there, that is my heater, my space heater that I don't use anymore because it is summertime, so I won't be needing it right now, so I just have it there. And this is I got that thing right here from Amazon. It was actually part of like decorations that I did for my boyfriend for his birthday. I did like a party for him and I decorated, and I used those as like, you know, I don't know, some decorative stuff. But yeah guys, this is my room, and I have this really large mirror over here that I use. This is where I pretty much just like stand and do my makeup because I don't have a vanity in here. I don't know, maybe I will get a vanity and put it in the corner right there, we'll see. But for right now, this is my room, this is how it's looking like. Yeah, so definitely leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join the family. The goal is to get to 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah guys, like I was saying, right now I have 33 subscribers. The goal is to get to 100k subs by the end of the year. I know it's definitely possible, so share this video with someone that you think might enjoy it, and let's get this ball rolling. My name is Wenda, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.